Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Phace Reed here, back at it again with another video. But today's video is going to be short, cute, and sweet. We are going to do an unboxing today from my People's clothing brand, who's branching out into customizations. And I'm so excited to actually unbox these things. I was sent these gifts because he's just such a sweetheart. And without further ado, because I love to talk, let's just jump right into it and get my first impressions on everything he sent to me. And I'm going to show you at the end of the video a customization of Vans that was personally made for myself. He's so sweet. So let's just jump into it and check these things out, guys. Sneakerheads Be Like is the brand, the culture, the lifestyle. And let's open the first package. This is kind of heavy. Should we save the heavy one for last? Let's save the heavy one for last. So we're gonna open the thinner one. I have no time. I already need to get my nails done, so I do not want to rip it or anything. So we're just gonna use some scissors and cut it open. And I see something that's white. Here it is. Oh, it's two. I love this. Sneakerheads Be Like, because listen, that speaks to me. And I know it speaks to a lot of y'all out there too. I'm in love with sneakers. Straight addicted. Guys, this is so good. This is like, has like a rubber feel to it. Don't mind my nails, they're trash.com. It's like a rubber cutout. So this is the t-shirt. Looks like a regular cut. And in the inside, I see a whole bunch of words. It breaks it down. This is the inside of the shirt. And the second one, I'm gonna take a wild guess and say that it's a long sleeve. Nope, it's another t-shirt. It's another t-shirt. You know what? I'm so silly me. I just realized I think these might be for my children. Cause I don't really think, you know, this could fit me. Like I could squeeze a little something, but it can't fit me. No, it can't.
Nope.
So these are for the kids. But at the end, I'll show you the sneakers. It's fine. Second bag. First of all, it's a lot of weight. Clean, keep it clean. Now this is looking like the stuff for me. You see that? That's looking like the stuff for mommy. Anytime I'm getting free stuff, I'm automatically like,
Wow.
like I'm really getting this. Like they really want me to rock this. Like it's so good. This Sneakerheads Be Like is not the outline, just the lettering. It's really thick. This is the back of the shirt. The material seems to be really good. It's not like them flimsy t-shirts. Oh, I hate a cheap white t-shirt. Like, grinds my gears. I thought it was more than two, but it's two. I have one. Maybe. Yeah, mine was an 8 moment. I just be getting stuff. So one is mine, one is my oldest son's, and the other two is for the smaller kids. I like this one, yeah. I'm assuming that they're samples. It has it in red. And I like this, like inside, try not to stretch the neck. Maybe I should just come from underneath. I love the tagless tag on that. Like that is super cute. Super cute, guys. That was a good touch. That was dope. Made in Nicaragua. Okay. And now off to the sneakers that were customized for me. Personally dropped off. Pink is my favorite color. I just love how it's just dripping and oozing with dopeness. Yeah. This was really, really cute. Love that. Really good. I really feel like this was so good. I didn't get a chance to bust these babies out, but oh my god. I'm gonna bust these babies out. I just need something that just goes so perfect with it. I wanted to wear them this summer, but this summer is 2 seconds from being over and done. I need to find something to really, really do like a good photo shoot with these before I start wearing them out, because you know, I don't know if you're like me, but I feel like Vans look a little better when they're dirty. But as far as the customization and getting them dirty, I would like to at least get some photos in where they look really, really good and brand new like they do right now. But these are so drippy, these are so dope, and not because they dripping, but just because like they're good. It's good stuff. Like, thank you so much, Junior. You are the bestest. I really appreciate you even sending this to me. I'm sending all the love to you. Thank you so much. It's wonderful. You know I'm gonna tell you if I like it, if I don't. I really like it. Like, these are A1 and I like it. My kids are gonna like it too. My son is probably really gonna love it because he was trying to look for a shirt to match his sixes, his Bugs Bunnies, and I think that'll go good. So we're gonna see how that works out. But thank you so much for even keeping me in mind, even though I haven't did a little photo shoot in a minute for the brand. But it was COVID, you know. We need to get some like sneaker heavy like masks. Like, that'll be so dope. Listen, I said it first. Get the sneakerheads to be like masks. Like, I know it's probably in the works, but you heard it first here, right here. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to this quick unboxing for the Sneakerheads brand. Like, support him. I will drop all links down below. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Make sure that notification bell is on so you'll be notified of all the videos coming your way. Thank you guys for stopping by again, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.